Do not even pay attention to how dirty my room is. I just freaking woke up and I decided to film my Q&A, so yeah. I got my trusty laptop right here, and I'm gonna read your question, because that's what you're supposed to do in a Q&A. What other things do you like to do besides being a YouTuber? I love to play football, hang out with my friends. What grade are you in? In 9th. Well, I'm heading into 9th. How old are you? I am about to turn 15 next week, so yeah, dude, yeah. What do you use to film and edit your videos? Sometimes I use my camera, sometimes I use my phone, and then I edit my videos with Final Cut Pro and Adobe After Effects. What would you do if YouTube removed you from the site for no reason? I would kill them. What do you plan to do with all the people you kill for not asking a question? Duh, burn the bodies. Have you not killed a person? Okay. People these days. Who is your best friend? You guys should know already. Well, the person that's asking this question. Swag me out? Bro, you already got too much swag on you. Fuck you, mean. Mr. Swagging all day, boy. If your house was on fire and all you could carry was 3 things out with you, what 3 things would you bring? My laptop, my phone's charger. When you told your friends you were doing YouTube, how did they react? Surprisingly, they weren't judgy. They actually didn't care. They were just like, oh, cool. They just mind their own business. What made you want to start YouTube? And who's your favorite YouTuber? Boredom and JC Caitlin, of course. That's like my #1 favorite YouTuber.